4 amazing WhatsApp updates you need to know and start using today. One of them will help you make more money. So recently, a number of cool and amazing features were introduced on WhatsApp. They are so amazing that if you've not started using them, now it's time to do that. The first one is increase in group participation. Before now, WhatsApp group members used to be a maximum of 256 members, but recently it's been increased. So now you can have as high as 512 members in your group. And you know what that means? More money. So if you've not started using group training, now it's time to do so, because now you can have up to 512 members in your group. So here are the benefits it offers. More group members is equal to higher conversion. This past week, I organized a WhatsApp training and I was able to get 300 people in my group for the program. When I introduced my paid program, I had more than double the number of people I used to have sign up just because of increase in the participation. So the more people you're able to get for a free class, the higher your conversion rate. You are going to get a lot of people who are willing to sign up for your paid classes, products, or services. With this increase in number of group participation, upselling to them would also be higher, because a lot of people are going to know, like, and trust you. So you can always upsell to those who have already bought your first product. It also leads to increase in status view. So a whole lot of people are going to join your WhatsApp community, view your status, and also make purchases whenever you make a paid offer to them. Here is a video I created on how to make money from WhatsApp group, what to teach people in your group, and even where to learn that thing you are going to teach them. Check the description of this video for a link to watch it. And the second update is WhatsApp reaction. So these new reaction features allow users to react to chats. There are 6 different reaction emojis that are available. We have laughing face, red hearts, surprised face, thumbs up, teary face, and hands together. Now, how do you use the reaction emojis? Tap and hold the message you want to react to for a while and reaction emojis will pop up. Then go on and select the one you want. However, you can only drop one reaction per message. This feature functions just the way Instagram reaction works. The third amazing feature is admin delete button for everyone. I love this button. Now, you know that awkward moment when scammers come into a group and drop spammy messages and then run off. That thing can be very annoying. So with this admin delete button, the admin of a group can delete that message for everyone. It's so amazing, and it solves a whole lot of problem for group management. As a group admin, you can delete this message for everybody and everything returns to normal. And that's amazing. The fourth feature is multitasking feature with video notes. With this feature, you can listen to video notes while responding to chat and doing other things. So you can click to listen to voice notes. While the voice note is playing, you move on to other tasks while you still listen to that, and that's amazing. It's really perfect for those of us that love to multitask. So you can do a whole lot of other things while you still listen to that voice note that was sent to you. It's super cool and you need to experience it. Now, how do you activate this button and start using it? In case you can't find these features on your phone at the moment, all you need is go over to your app store and update your WhatsApp. When you come back, refresh your WhatsApp and you will have access to all of these features. Let me know in the comment section if you've started using any of these. I have, and I enjoy each and every one of them. I hope you got value from this. Share this to your family and friends. There's someone on your list who needs to see this to learn how it is done. See you in my next video. Bye.